in the far away fires, where the hills forever burn, at the feet of our heroes, we try hard to learn, but the lesson is lost there, in the smoke and the mud, that we are one flesh, one breath, one life, one blood. I stood by the river that ran red with shame. I stood in the killing fields where death had no name. I stood with my brothers and awaited flood, and we were